Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates for today. So the first company for today it is Microsoft, and the second one is Oracle. So we shall see the job details, eligibility criteria and the selection process for the same. So the first company, that is Microsoft. So the job ID for this, it is 200022328. So you can also ask for the referral with this particular job ID. And the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and the work location for this, it is Bangalore, and it's a full-time role. And coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so the qualifications, so either B or BTech graduates or even BSc graduates with either computer science or the related streams, they are eligible to apply. And the experience, so this particular role, it is open for both freshers as well as experienced graduates. And coming to the technical skills, like you need to be proficient with any of the programming languages. It can be C, C++, C#, Java, JavaScript or the Python. And also need to have hands-on experience with the AI developer tools like GitHub Copilot and the ChatGPT for the coding. Like you should have the exposure with using this GitHub Copilot, and apart from that you need to have knowledge about the solid design patterns, coding and the debugging skills. And these are the job details for this. And coming to the selection process, so the first round, so it will be the resume screening. So make sure you add the coding skills whichever you are proficient in, and also do add some AI related skills, so that it will be an advantage to shortlist your resume. And then first round there will be a coding assessment. So like there will be DSA coding questions either on arrays, strings, trees and the graphs, and also system design related questions. And then there will be like 2 to 3 technical interviews, which basically focuses on the DSA part and the problem solving. Like you are supposed to share the screen and you are supposed to write the code for the same. And also the low level design, so like there will be 2 to 3 technical rounds. First round like DSA related, and the next the low level design discussions. And also like they are expecting to have the AI or the ML related skills also for this role. And also like the technical round you can expect the HLD, high level design. And lastly there will be managerial round. So these are the complete details about the Microsoft. So the link for that, it will be provided in the description. So if you are facing any issues, you can comment. And coming to the second company, that is Oracle. So they are also hiring for the software developer 1, that is for ICE1, that is individual contributor role. And the job ID for this, it is 321672. So for this also you can ask the referral with this respective job ID. And this also, it's a full-time role, and the work location is Bangalore, that's on-site. And coming to the eligibility criteria for this, like qualification needed, it's either B or BTech graduates or MA or MTech in computer science, information technology or the electronics and communication. So these 3 streams are eligible to apply. And the experience, so they are basically looking for the freshers, that is entry level, with either 0 to 2 years of experience is needed to apply for this particular role. And coming to the technical skills, you need to be proficient with either Java, C++ or the Python, and a solid understanding of the SQL and the database concepts, and knowledge about data structures and algorithms, and familiarity with the cloud computing concepts. So AWS or it can be Microsoft Azure, so it will be an added advantage for this role. And coming to the selection process for this also, same thing like coding test, which basically focuses on the DSA, the coding and the SQL queries, and there will be aptitude MCQ questions. So you can practice the DSA coding questions on array, strings and the trees, and also like SQL queries. So you are supposed to write the SQL query for the question, and then there will be aptitude MCQs, which comprises of quantitative, reasoning, verbal part, and also there will be 1 to 2 technical rounds like a deep dive into the DSA part, system design basics, and the core Java or the database concepts, and lastly there will be an HR interview. So these are the selection process details for the Oracle. So on the application link for this, it is through Oracle Cloud. So it has various steps. You can just go to the application form and you can apply for this. So these are the 2 updates for today. So the link for both of these 2 companies, so it will be provided in the description. So you can apply for these roles accordingly if you are eligible. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.